Those are 2 male turkeys right there, I'm pretty certain. Those other ones are probably all hens. Oh, there's a redhead. I think he's hiding. Trying to hide.
He's smart, you can tell.
Yep. That's the dominant bird right there.
We'll go kill him in a minute.
Well, I'm gonna get on back there and see if I can't put eyeballs on another one.
Sure.
Alrighty, folks. Well, tomorrow's the opener of turkey season. Ben's watching a flock of turkeys in an ag field back over here behind me, and that'll probably be our first option for the morning. I think there may be one roosted right up here on top of this hill. I'm just trying to see if I can hear him fly up, just in case we need a backup plan or something. Get a pretty good gist of where they put up for the night?
I'd say so.
There's gonna be a long bear cruising through here at some point. Check out these hands.
I think so too.
Because I'm sure they know they're here.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6? There's one out yonder. It'd be 7. Is that right, Jens? There's one out right back here in the corner. That must either be him or there's 2 jakes. It don't sound like a jake either. Right there he is, right here he is, right here he is. Careful.
Where is he? How far?
It's Jake. 40 yarders.
Yeah, those were those 2 that we saw.
Yeah, for sure. I didn't have to do one bit of calling yet. I could just throw these calls away. You're rigging my fingers.
You're not nervous by chance?
No, not at all. Just sitting there.
Now he's walking this way slowly. He really thinks he's big stuff. I think that thing's getting closer.
The big one.
Yeah.
Or on the back.
That one in the back.
Could very well be. He's very slow this morning. Quite slow. Sounds like it's up here. There he is, there he is, there he is. He's right up here. 47 yards.
Which way is he going?
I'm not sure. Okay, there he is. Yeah, right here. He's coming right behind us. See him? He's spitting.
I got a tree in the way right now.
He's coming through.
Okay, get on him now.
He's back.
Oh, look at what he done. That's a double beard.
Is it?
Yep.
Sure enough. Ready? Yep.
He smashed that movie.
They're still out here. Double! I can't believe it.
Nice.
Check this out right here. Pretty cool. Get the turkey. turkey on the view too. Oh, yeah. He's done.
We never made a peep.
Not a single peep. That was epic view right there. Epic.
He's point blank.
Now it's your turn. We need to go get another one now. Yeah. Let's go do dog. Yes. You couldn't ask for a better situation. Not even close. It's the first time I ever shot a turkey out of a shooting house like this. This same here, I've never done such a thing. 3-inch long-beard XR. 6-shot. Okay, these two have disappeared. There they are. They're walking up in the woods. Go back there and flog him. They better not. I want that. That's a nice tail. There they go. Dumb things.
Yes, it is good.
Idiots. I'm ready to go catch you guys yet. Don't you mess with my bird.
That one almost had a nice enough beard. I could have shot him. But
Yeah.
he's still Jake.
Oh, this is the first day though. Gotta give it a chance.
Oh, he's toast.
Now we're fine. We're gonna watch
Spurs non-existent over here. And the one over here. Not shabby at all. I thought I got this dark. Looked about nothing on the black. Yeah, gotta get thanks for the what is it, Spitfire?
The Spitfire that never spat.
That never spat. Take a couple good photos.
Then we gotta keep running, eh? That's pretty nice right there.
I can't believe we're doing this already.